2025 plate Toyota Hilux they've already tried to steal and break into the boot with, and the side. So we've protected it with a Starline alarm system. So this is a bit bespoke, has 2 sensors, tracking, call alert, remote immobilisation, protection of these rear windows if they smash them, and the customer's also gone for the boot. So if they try again to smash this, they get in, it goes off instantly. It will disarm because I've got the tag here, but if the tag wasn't here and they just had a key, then it would keep going. We're also getting a call alert on this phone, so we're just answering in that. But if someone breaks in, you're going to know straight away. It arms using the factory key and disarms using the key as well, so long as you have a tag in range. If a thief comes round, tries to break into the boot, which we haven't locked up, they try to get into the tools, goes off straight away. And it can be disarmed with the tag or the key if the tag's in range. And once again, we're getting another call alert on this phone to show us that the 2025 Hilux is being attacked. So we're just answering end once again. If it's the customer, this doesn't have a standard immobiliser because it already has a ghost. So if we hop in, try and start this vehicle up, it's going to start like normal. But say the thief got the code to your ghost, they programmed a key, they're driving it down the road. With this, you can have the tracker to obviously see where they're going. If we go into set, control fuel, cut off, we type in a password. Command successful. We go to drive away. Once we have our gap, vehicle cuts out, it's going nowhere. We're also going to get a call again to confirm that it's gone through. So you'll see in a second, we're going to get our call alert. There we go, the Hilux is ringing us, so we know it's cut out and it's not going any further. So we're just answering in that. As we said, this is the Starline bespoke system. It has a tracker, remote immobilisation. If we've got the code to the ghost, the vehicle's still not going to go anywhere because we've immobilised it remotely. It's not going any further. So we go back into our app. Now we're at the vehicle because we found it using the tracker. We go to recover, type in that password. Press OK. Command successful, and then once that's gone through, you're going to be able to start the vehicle and drive it off just like you would normally, as if there was no remote immobilisation active. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a 2025 Toyota Hilux protected with a Starline system with rear window protection, rear cargo area protection, remote immobilisation, tracking, tilt, motion and shock. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.